how to use ChatGPT for UPSC preparation. Now, ChatGPT can help you aid UPSC preparation in various ways. One thing that I'd recommend you do is you can just ask with conceptual clarity, right? Ask questions to understand complex topics. You might have question papers of the previous years or whichever year's exams it is. You can try to practice and ask those questions to ChatGPT and it will give you any sort of answers that you need, right? You can generate questions for different subjects, whether economics or maybe English or whatever else it is. Get ideas and content for essays. You can stay updated on recent news and events of the current affairs going around in your region. And you can also answer the evaluation, access your answers, and get feedback. Remember, use ChatGPT as a tool to supplement your preparation, not replace it. Still keep reading books or whatever materials that you have. Don't just rely on AI. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.